Hello everyone, and welcome you to another chapter of Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So here in this class, I'll be telling you guys about different type of effects that you can use in this particular application and different stickers and templates. I'll be telling how you can use it, and I'll be showing you guys few of the effects and stickers which you can use and where all you need to use those, okay? And there are few effects which you can also do some editing in those, okay? So you can edit it according to your want. You guys can do these things as well, and how to scale up your sticker, scale down, and use different templates and take few parts and edit it according to yourself. So we'll be learning about all this in this class. So let's get started with this chapter number 11. So again, I'm back here in the workspace, and in last class, I have that same file here in which I have shown you guys about the transition effects. So now, let's go to the effect zone, and I'll be showing you guys different type of effects from here. Okay. So as you can see, I do have these three options, which I'll be explaining today: the effects, the stickers, and templates. And I'll be showing you guys how we can basically use all these in our work as well. Okay. So here you guys can see I am downloading this one, and we can see different type of effects. Okay. So there are numerous effects in this application. Okay. So from here, let's check out all these effects, like what type of effects they do have here. And let's see this blur one here. Okay. So we can actually add all this and see here, this one is the glitch effect, as you can see. Okay, here this one is the glitch one, and like this we do have many more around here. Okay, so let me download few and I'll apply it to my work. Here, let me get this particular circle from here. Okay, I'll be working on this as well. Let me download this glitch stripe as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'll select this, and now I will put this one on top of my video here. Okay, so as you can see, once I have just taken this particular effect from here, you can see I can change the intensity, and I can change the opacity, and I can also move this around. Okay, suppose this effect, I will click on this particular effect, and I can move this effect as I want. So I do have this one, and let me just shift this to one side, and let me bring it little bit on top. Okay, or I will just take this side, and I'll take this on top. And from here, now I can also choose the gradient colors from here. If I double click here, you can see I can choose the own color or my color from here, like which color do I want to use. Okay. And I will click on OK. And I have changed this one. Let me change this color as well. Let me take this. Okay. And here I will change this color to something in white. Okay, and this one's to green, and this color, I have added another box here, so you guys can do the same. Okay, so you just need to click somewhere here if you want to add any box, and if you want to change the color of this particular box, you just need to come here, and you can just double click on this particular icon. You can see where my mouse is. So from there, you guys can choose all these things as well. So here you can see I have changed the color of the circle, and I can also maintain the radius, like how big I want this one, and like that I can do it as well. And I can also change the opacity if I want to decrease it to some extent. I can do that from here. Let me bring this somewhere here, and I will just take this somewhere here. Okay, so as you can see, I do have this effect now. Okay, and if I want to undo everything, I can just click on this one, and here you can select your different color. If you don't want a gradient color, you can just click on this one, the delete option here on my screen. You guys can do that. So now let's see a preview of how it actually looks. So here you guys can see how this actually looks. Okay, so here I also do have this one, that your screen will round open and it will come like this. So this is a preview which you guys can see. And if I take this one back, if I play with this one, here you guys can see. Okay, so I'll put this effect as well. I'll put on top of this one. Okay, so I do have this effect now as well. Okay, so now let's play and just try to see a preview. So this is how it will appear on my screen. So this is the way how we can actually work with effects, and they do have different kind of effects here. These are a few of the video effects, some of the basic thing, and these are some glitch effects. So this is taking some time to load. Okay, so this is a glitch effect. I can put this as well. Okay, let me just put this one somewhere here. Okay, so let me put this here, and let's see the preview. So here you can see a glitch effect just on top of my video here. Okay, so this is one way of how you can use all this. And now let's come to the next option. I hope you guys have understood about all this. So there are numerous effects here, okay? And there are also different kind of audio effects which we can use basically, okay? So let's see one. So this is one which you can use. So if I just take this one and I'll just drag this one down, I can have this effect here. Okay, so I'll just drag this one down somewhere, maybe here. Yeah, this is fine, or I'll just put it on top. Yeah, I can add this one here, and let's see the preview now of my video. So now that I do have the glitch effect. So this is how we can actually work here with the effects, and there are many more, and you can also go to Filmstock and download your own effects. So let's see, come here to the stickers option, and in stickers also you can see I do have different stickers, a set of stickers here. Okay, and you can choose from here. There are different type of shapes which you can download. There are heart shaped icons as well. Here you can see some 3D shapes here are there which you can download. Let's see which are the trending one. Okay, so I will take maybe this one, and I'll download this one as well, the thank you one. Okay, so this is how it will look, as you can see here. Okay, so maybe I'll take this sticker and I will put this somewhere here. Okay, and now what I'll do is I can just click on this one, this particular sticker, and I can see the preview. Let's see the preview of the sticker. Let me bring my playhead right here. So this is how it will actually look. But in that same way, if I want to put a like sticker somewhere here, let me just put this one here, and this one is getting downloaded. So here I do have this sticker. Bring my playhead here, and from here what I can do is I can choose this particular sticker, and I can actually decrease the size. Okay, so I just want to put this one in one corner so I can actually change this size, or if I want to rotate this one, I can rotate this as well. From here only I can do all these things. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood this thing here, how you can use different type of stickers. We do have few of the meme stickers as well, okay, and also some comic stickers. So it depends on which one you want to use or what is the theme of your video. Okay, so if you're making any video for your YouTube channel or any kind of Instagram or for your client, you can use some of these stickers like the subscribe sticker for your YouTube channel, so you guys can do that as well. Okay. So hope this was clear, and any stickers if you guys download, it will be saved here in a download, and if you click on this star button here, it will be saved in your favorites. Okay. And the last thing here is these templates. Okay. So here we do have different type of templates. As you can see, there are different kinds here. Okay. So if I go to mine and try to check what all I do have downloaded, I didn't download anything yet, but here in the split screen option, I have downloaded few of those. Okay. And if you want to custom any, you can custom your own template as well from here. Okay. You can see, you can just custom from here. Okay. So I won't do any customization for now. And again, come to this, and from here you can see they do have different templates, so you can just take some part of that template and you can replace it with your material or with your object, whichever you want to put in your video. Okay, so there are different themes from which you guys can choose, but let's see this split screen option here. Okay, so this is the split screen option. Let me put this here somewhere, and let's put this, and I want to put this one. I will delete, and again take maybe this one here, and I can actually zoom this out one in or zoom this out. Okay, this here you can do it using this icon, and from here you can do the customization. Okay, so here in this first screen, what I want to put, which one actually I want to apply here, I can put that. Suppose I want this one. Okay, so I will add this one here. Okay, and after that this one here, I can just zoom in or zoom out the way I want. And suppose I want this video to be placed here. Here you can see I can zoom out and zoom in at the same time and come here again. Okay, yeah, this is done. Come here or take this video here and zoom out. So this is how you can use split screen. Okay, and I can just click on apply here, and now let's see the video. So here you guys can see how this view actually looks, and those disappeared here. Okay, so I hope this class was quite clear, as I have shown you guys how you can use the effects, stickers, and templates. And inside templates, I have also shown you guys how you can use split screen, like as many screen as you want. As here you can see, you can add 3, here you can add 5, and many more is there if you search more. Okay, here you can see you do have different versions of that. For game, you have this one like game overlay. If you want it for sports, here you do have few of this. So you can choose which one you like the best. So I hope that this class was clear, and now you're clear with everything of what all is there here in this particular application, like all of these options in the library, the media you're clear with, like how you can import all your videos and thing. And you know about stock media, like in stock media you guys can connect with pixels, Filmstock, Pixabay, and Unsplash, where you can download different videos and photos for your work. Okay, and after that you know how to get different audios, sound effects, and know the use of titles, transitioning, effects, stickers, and templates. So hope this all was clear, and now you guys can create a video of your own. So I'll be giving you guys class projects as well, where you guys have to do your own video editing, and I want to see how you guys have learned in this particular tutorial as a whole. So I'll be giving you two class project, and I'll be dividing that what all you have to do there. Okay. So you guys can do it however lengthy you want, but max it should be something around 2 minutes. Okay. So try to keep it under 2 minutes, that I get to understand what kind of effects and all you guys are using, and how is your idea about designing your work. Okay, so take care everyone, and in next class we'll learn about how you can use different type of AI tools here in Filmora that will help you to make a video very smoothly and very fast. Okay, so hope to see you all in the next tutorial. Till then, take care everyone.